Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Mike Makers with you today for another tutorial on Scratch. So as you know, you just go to Google, you type Scratch or Scratch MID, and you arrive on this page. So for those of you who don't know too much about the roots and how to start with Scratch, I have a couple of videos made before, so you can go and check all of them. So you'll be able to find the links in the description below. And of course, if you like the video and if you like the video and you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet, and put a thumbs up for the video. So let's go to Scratch. So you click on Scratch, Imagine MIT, and okay, it goes pretty fast today. And you click on Start Creating, and it may take a few seconds, so be patient with it. So today what we try to do, we try to create a game. And in this game gonna be we want to say it's gonna be a maze. So the cat we have here will be able to travel in the maze, and we use the direction button up, down, left, right to control the robot. The robot now. Yeah, I know I have robot all the time. Every week I'm working with robots. So let's go back to what we were saying. So when you push the different buttons, if you push up, it goes up. If you push down, it goes down. So what we start to do, we make the maze, and if the robot, the cat touch the maze, it goes back to where it was before. I mean, it goes back to the beginning, so you need to be really careful. So that's gonna be the game. So let's start doing that. So there we go, and here we got the costume. So this is our catty. Here we go. We select all the cat like this, and we make him small. Okay, I can even make it bigger, so we have more fun. There we go. So I put the cat here, and now let's go back to code, and let's go back to backdrop, just right here, and let's click on paint. Here we go, and we also click on rectangle. So what we do, we create the wall for the maze. Let's start doing this. So let's put it at 11 and see how big it is. Okay, so the cat is okay. Start doing it here now too. Maybe too close. Let me Control Z. Maybe too close. Okay, here we go. Let me do another one. Pretty nice. And oh, okay, I forgot to change my thing. Let me go back. I want it to be 9. Oh, even 10. Here we go. I want to do another one. I want it to be the same. There we go. So we build the maze. So you do it like this. It goes up, turn right, goes down, turn right, and go there. So let's start to do that. So now we go back to code, and now we got the cat. We choose the cat, and as usual we go to events, and we start by clicking on the flag, and we go back to control and forever here. So you do what is in the loop all the time. So if I click on the arrow, the up arrow, it should be able to go up. So if you know what if is, so if I do something, so it's waiting for me, so I need to go to sensing. This is where the sensors are. And if I click on K space, if I click on K space, the up, and we need to move, so we go to motion. we need to move toward we need to move up, so we need to turn it up first, and after that move up. So you got point in direction, so you click on that, you can see here it goes right, you can go left, you can go left or up. We keep it like this. So let me duplicate that. Duplicate. Up, down, left, stop that, duplicate, and right. Move 10 steps. Okay. Pointing direction now for down. We go here. Pointing direction down. That's it. For left, we move the arrow on that side. Oh, sorry, left this way. And for right, pointing direction, we move the arrow to the right. So let's try that, see how it goes. How does it go? Very nice. Okay, there we go. Pretty nice game. There we go. And the thing is, okay, let me have it back here. So the thing is, if when I start, I want it to be here. So when I click on that, I want it to be here. So we go to motion and click on go to this place. So we put it just right here in the middle. We put it back like this. And let's try now. See what it does. Oh, put it back. There we go. So now we said if the cat touched the maze, we want it to go back to the beginning. How can we do that? So if, of course we need if, so we go back to control, and we had another if, just like this, and we go back to sensing. If touching color, so here is going to be black, since all around is black. Sorry. Okay, it's touching black, move back, go to motion, or let's say let's glide to that position, and let's write something. Let's say let's say put it just right here. After that we say start over again for 1 second. But right, I want to make the cat a bit smaller. Control C. It's not what I want. Okay, here. I want to make the cat smaller. There we go. There we go. Let's go back to the code. And now let's try it again. Let's lose on purpose. It goes back. Okay. Yeah. This is how it goes. Now let's go up. Yeah, so that was it. So the cat won. So this is just a really simple game. You can do it in less than 10 minutes, even less than 5 minutes. It depends how familiar you are with it, but let's say 10 minutes. It really doesn't take too much, and it uses the the tools and the condition we already used before, like the sensing. We know what sensing is, we know what if is, we know how to move in certain direction, move 10 step, point in direction. So we saw all these different things in the previous tutorials we made. So if you like the videos, as I said before, leave a thumbs up and share the video with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel, don't forget. Okay, see you next week for a new video. Thank you.